Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The upcoming 2026 Range Rover Modern Motorhome is a smart fusion of modern style, British elegance, and the roomy functionality of a recreational vehicle. Building on the illustrious history of the Range Rover brand, this hypothetical motorhome aims to seamlessly combine the luxuries of a mobile home with the sophisticated on-road experience, all while maintaining a decidedly modern style. The 2026 Range Rover Modern Motorhome's exterior would probably follow the current Range Rover design language's crisp lines and tasteful proportions. With distinguishing features like the floating roof, continuous waistline, and thoughtfully placed lighting systems, expect a sleek, clean appearance. The seamless integration of the motorhome components would be the main goal, making sure that the extra volume and usefulness complement the vehicle's built-in sophistication. Large panoramic windows that provide both an abundance of natural light inside and sweeping views of the surrounds would probably be prominently displayed. The modern element, which would be defined by cutting-edge technology, premium sustainable materials, and minimalist design principles, would be crucial inside. Without sacrificing the feeling of openness and spaciousness, the layout would be carefully planned to optimize both space and functionality. A well-appointed living space with modular furniture, a modern and functional kitchenette with high-end appliances, a cozy sleeping area intended for peaceful relaxation, and a chic bathroom are all included. A sophisticated color scheme, tactile natural materials, and ambient lighting would all help create an aura of subtle luxury. With the newest developments in infotainment, communication, and vehicle management, the 2026 Range Rover Modern Motorhome would be at the forefront of technology. From entertainment and navigation to climate control and habitation systems, a central touchscreen interface would probably govern all of the car's operations. Another aspect might be integration with smart home technologies, which would enable remote control and monitoring. Building on Range Rover's current array of convenience and safety features, driver assistance systems would provide a comfortable and secure driving experience. The term modern motorhome suggests an emphasis on modern living, possibly including characteristics that support an active and social lifestyle. This could involve seamless connectivity with digital devices, sophisticated power management systems for off-grid capabilities, and integrated storage options for outdoor equipment. The 2026 Range Rover Modern Motorhome essentially aims to create a high-end, cutting-edge recreational vehicle that maintains the upscale style and innate power that are synonymous with the Range Rover brand. It is a contemporary take on mobile living, combining elegant style with useful practicality to create a rolling retreat that epitomizes modern British luxury.